wat jy op dance game speel, bro.
Ek ken dit goed, want ek het dit ons vir hulle produce.
Hoe raar, dit is amazing, dude. Fuck.
Maar hulle chase die Gabba, die European Gabba sound.
That's amazing, holy shit, fucking hell.
Up tempo.
En ek weet jy produce ook, ek weet jy mix en master like a
Ja, ek produce baie gereeld.
Man of fucking many talents, you know. Ek love it. Julle sê wanneer julle reg is? Oh ja.
Kom ek klapper.
Julle reg? Beautiful stuff. Ons is nog steeds hier op 'n lentedag. Dit was 'n lang een gewees. Mense se ore is vol stof, neuse is vol stof. Dis 'n party. Ons het hier so vir die groot man homself, Mr. Peachy van Pleasant. Bras, please just introduce yourself to the people.
Hallo, julle beautiful mense. Well done on the Sony A7 camera there. I'm Groot Hond and good to be here.
Beautiful stuff. Yeah. Dude, obviously like jy's nou like pretty like visceral figure in die scene en goed so dit, maar wanneer dit kom by jou inspirasies. Wie was jou inspirasies coming up as a child? Was 'n Guy Korstentjie of wie was dit gewees? Like
Guy Korsten, nou voel ek pressure to make it Afrikaans.
Nee,
but to be honest, there was pivotal moments for me in my career. 9 Inch Nails was een.
Dude,
just someone that's so authentically themselves, like Trent Reznor, en ook Depeche Mode. Love a sticky 80s. En toe ek in so start 5 was, toe speel iemand vir my Koos Kombuis. Toe was ek soos, my bro, wat gaan hier aan? Toe lees ek sommer sy boek, Sex, Drugs and Rock and Roll. En ek hoop ek kan hom eendag op prating kry. Koos, tag vir Koos Kombuis. You must do it.
Koosie, please, we got it. Please,
Koos, ons koop vir jou flights en 'n garage pie as jy prating kom doen.
Ek love it. En om daarop te bou, like in terme van collaborations that you'd want to do with any South African artist, wie sal jy mee collaborate? Like,
dit is...
Wie sal dit wees?
Kyk, Bitter Einder het een keer collaborate met Chris Chameleon. Boo was also in hulle peak, was Boo vir my...
Ridiculous, bro.
Ridiculous. To play bass and sing like that is...
Yes.
Nou, I want to praat with these people. Ek dink met prating, ek hou daarvan om legends and legacy artists te vat that has wisdom in wat al hierdie vir jare doen and to facilitate a conversation. So let me get back to you on that.
We'll get back to us. Don't stress. You heard it here first. Laaste vraagie, bro.
You heard nothing here first. You heard absolutely nothing, but it was here first.
I love it. Dude, nog 2 vragies. As jy 'n tune vir 'n alien moes speel, bro. Wat 'n tune speel jy vir die alien? You got it. Let's see.
Maybe Strange Love van Depeche Mode.
Strange love.
Strange love. Strange eyes and strange love. Strange love. See, the alien, you got to take them to the 80s first, and then they'll verstaan us now.
They'll go up there then. This is amazing. I love it. Dit is 'n laaste vraag vir jou, bro. En dit is 'n baie weird vraag, maar het 'n pikkewyn knie?
Very, very, very good, profound vraag. Because you know pikkewyne, they mate for life. That's big facts. They go out there, they mate for life. So yeah, they don't need to have knie because when you mate for life, you're always glibbering. You just need to glibber.
So they don't even need knees.
Pikkewyne, they're all about that glibber. So no, they don't have knie.
Beautiful stuff. You heard it your first speech. Baie waar ek vir alles wat jy doen vir 16 dude. Waardeer dit so baie.
Dankie vir jou en dankie vir julle en
100%.
Keep going kak groot and keep awakening the lekkerness.
Beautiful stuff. Dankie
dude.
Waardeer dit so baie.